Okay, my brother has gone down to the car. There's that sunset point, half a mile. I'm going on foot, and he's gonna drive over there, and we'll meet over there. So there we go. That was Sunrise Point, and now I'm going on foot to Sunset Point, which is about half a mile. The bench. Man, I have a feeling I'm going to see views like this all the way over there. Look at that. Wow. And there's the forest on the other side. There's a bench up there. I'm going to go take a look and see what that view looks like. Nice log bench with a view that looks like that. Wow. Does it like that? Hmm. And look at those. All right, I gotta continue. I'm gonna see what the view is like from these benches they have set up. Wow. Huh. Let's get that right about, oh, wrong way, right about there. Beautiful. Oh, a long bench. Accommodate a lot of people. Wow. Oh my. Hmm. January 2022. Is it the 10th today or the 9th? I can't remember even. It's a Monday, so. Look at the snow there. Cool. Okay. Yeah, you wanted to get a little 360-degree view while I was walking along the trail, right along the rim. Woohoo! Haha, here I am arriving to Sunset Point, walking the entire way from Sunrise Point. Alright, let's take a look around here. Wow, it looks, with the sun up higher in the sky, it's so much more beautiful, I think. The sun brings out the color. We came here last night and the sun had kind of gone down more, so a lot of this was, what you see here was already in the shade. It was getting blocked by this ridge that was back here. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Alright, let's take and flip around. Oh, let's stretch that out. Let's start here. Let's see, alright. Alright, let's go around just like so. Here at Sunset Point. Kind of man alive. Wow! Oh, how about it? Look at that. There we go. There's the path coming in. I'm the only one here. Cool. There we go, right back to where we started. That's all right. Okay, and that was the walk from Sunrise Point to Sunset Point. Now I'm gonna go see if I can find my brother. He should be parked up here in the parking lot by now. So beautiful. So I'll talk to you later. Okay, I have successfully found the car, but now my brother's, I don't know where he went. I know the restroom is over there, so maybe he went there. Well, I'm just going to hang around here and wait for him. Yeah, I don't see him around. Yeah, I'm just going to hang around here and wait, and we'll talk to you later.